This is the MSI Titan GT77 HX, and it promises to be a laptop that steals your desktop's thunder. After pushing it through gaming marathons, creative workloads, and daily use, I found things in its performance that MSI's marketing won't tell you. Is it a monster worth your money, or just an overbuilt beast? Stick around and we'll find out. MSI Titan GT77 HX Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The MSI Titan GT77 HX is MSI's flagship desktop replacement gaming notebook. Launched in 2023, it combines Intel's 13th Gen HX series CPUs with NVIDIA's 40 series laptop GPUs. It's marketed toward hardcore gamers, content creators, streamers, basically anyone who demands the kind of power normally reserved for full towers, but wants or needs some portability. The spec sheet reads like a drool fest, up to a Core i9-13980HX, up to an RTX 4090, 175W TGP, a 17.3-inch 4K mini LED display at 144 Hz, HDR 1000, support for up to 128GB DDR5, and multiple PCIe slots for SSD expansion. MSI Titan GT77 HX Performance. Here's the thing, performance is the Titan's strong suit. In PC World's testing, it scored 8,890 on PC Mark 10, a record high among laptops at the time. In Cinebench 15, it dipped into the high 4,000s, which is impressive for any laptop. In more modern tests, Notebook Check found that in CPU workloads, the 13950HX draws greater than 200 watts at start, then stabilizes around 150 watts, giving it a 20 to 45% uplift over prior gen models. On the graphics side, the RTX 4090 variant can absolutely dominate. In PC World's 3D Mark Time Spy, it posted around 19,500, flat-slapping last gen's 30 series laptops. Hot Hardware observed high frame rate advantage in Shadow of the Tomb Raider at 1080p, gaining around 35 FPS over RTX 30 series machines. Meanwhile, in Tweaktown's Cyberpunk tests, they saw around 137 FPS at 1080p and around 90 FPS at 4K on high settings. In everyday usage, video editing, compiling code, graphic design, the Titan doesn't break a sweat. Tom's Hardware's tests running Borderlands 3 averaged around 177 FPS at 1080p on max settings. But there are some caveats. When on battery, the CPU is locked to around 25 watts, causing a 70 to 80% drop in multi-core throughput. Features and tech. Let's dive into what makes the Titan special and why it matters. Mini LED 4K HDR display at 144 Hz. This is one of its standout features. The screen delivers bright whites, deep blacks, and excellent color accuracy. MSI claims HDR 1000 and display reviews back that up. The caveat is the refresh rate is only 144 Hz, which is decent but not cutting edge in 2025 terms. Cherry MX Ultra Low Profile Mechanical Keyboard. Yep, it's mechanical in a laptop. Each key is individually RGB lit. MSI touts crisp tactility and gaming-grade durability. Overclocking.com says it's the best keyboard I've ever used on a laptop, but not everyone loves. Cooling and overboost or power modes. MSI packs in 4 fans, 8 heat pipes, and a robust airflow design. In light tasks, the machine is whisper quiet. Hot Hardware found near silent operation during idle. Under sustained load, though, it gets loud, around 59 dBA measured in stress tests. The thermals are well managed. CPU temps often hover in the 90+ degrees Celsius range under heavy loads, while the GPU stays under 80 degrees Celsius. Design and build. When you pick this up, the first reaction is, yeah, this is a serious machine. At 7.3 pounds, 3.3 kilograms, it's heavy, even by laptop standards. The lid is machined aluminum, while the rest of the chassis is a mix of aluminum and polycarbonate. The build feels robust with minimal flex in most areas. RGB lighting is bold. MSI includes a backlit Dragon logo, a light bar on the rear, and full per-key lighting on the keyboard. A downside, the chassis is a fingerprint magnet and the black finish show smudges easily. Typing feels satisfying, especially thanks to the mechanical switches, but PC Gamer noted some flex in high-stress typing and quibbled with the cramped numpad layout. Battery life. Don't expect miracles. Because this thing is tuned for maximum performance when plugged in, battery mode dramatically reduces power to the CPU, capped 25 watts. Expect maybe 1 to 2 hours of light use, web browsing, video playback, and almost nothing when gaming unplugged. Multiple reviewers flagged battery as a non-starter for portable use. Pros: unmatched desktop-class performance in a relatively mobile form factor. 4K HDR mini LED screen that looks premium. Per-key mechanical RGB keyboard is rare in laptops. Massive expansibility and I/O flexibility. Cons: very heavy and bulky. Loud fans under sustained load. Weak battery life and performance throttling unplugged. 720p webcam is disappointing.